Vamoose. Unpacking a unique phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and somewhat quirky word in the English language, vamoose. Have you ever heard it before? If not, no worries. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. The word vamoose might sound a bit strange to English ears, and that's because it has its roots in Spanish. It's derived from the Spanish word vamos, which means let's go. English speakers have adopted and adapted this term into vamoose, giving it a playful and casual nuance. So, what does vamoose mean? In simple terms, vamoose is a slang word that means to leave quickly or to run away. Imagine someone causing mischief and then dashing away before they get caught. That's the essence of vamoose. Examples: 1. The rain started pouring, and we had to vamoose from the picnic. 2. When he realized he was in the wrong class, he vamoosed before the teacher could notice. Now, while vamoose is a fun word to use, it's essential to know the right context. This isn't a word you'll find in formal reports or serious business meetings. Instead, it's more suited for casual conversations, stories, or when you're trying to add a touch of humor. Using vamoose can make the conversation feel lighthearted and playful. And there we have it, the entertaining and colorful word, vamoose. So the next time you're in a hurry or just want to add some flair to your conversation, why not drop this word in? We hope you found this explainer insightful and fun. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of English vocabulary.